Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and checking current location permissions. This matters because some changes require elevation. Once done, open Windows Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Location. If using an older OS, open Control Panel's Location Settings. Make sure a secondary browser or a VPN client is installed now if you plan to spoof browser-level location. Installing beforehand avoids interruptions later. You're beginning the actual change, not just prepping, so proceed to adjust system level or app permissions next. You now change both system and browser settings for reliable results. First, toggle location services and set a default location through the Maps app so some apps read that coordinate. Then open your browser's developer tools. In the Sensors or Location section, enter latitude/longitude or select a preset city. Alternatively, install a reputable geolocation extension. Make sure to run the browser after VPN connection. A VPN changes IP-based location, and combining methods ensures sites see the spoofed place. You finish by restarting affected apps and clearing browser cache and site permissions so new coordinates take effect. Test using a location check service in the browser. If it still shows the old place, make sure your Wi-Fi SSID or location-enabled driver isn't broadcasting coordinates and check for VPN DNS leaks. If problems persist, disable the VPN and browser overrides, then re-enable one method at a time. One key troubleshooting tip. If something fails, revoke app permissions and reboot before reapplying changes to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.